Hey everybody, in this video I'll walk you through the steps on how can you fix Genie camera won't connect to Wi-Fi. If your Genie camera isn't connecting to Wi-Fi, you could try a couple of these steps. First of all, you could go with the basic steps, that is reset the camera. So here what you have to do is you simply want to go ahead and find the reset button, usually a small hole on the camera. So what you could do is you could just go ahead and click on the OK button. Here you want to go to the profile section, and what you have to do is you want to go to the settings and check whether there seems to be any sort of issue or not. Likewise, sometimes if you have not enabled permission, that could also lead to this issue. So you want to long press the Genie app, go to the app info section. Here you want to go to permissions. As you can see that I've not enabled or granted any of these permissions, so I want to go ahead and make sure to enable permissions. And once you've actually done it, so restart your device, see whether this has helped you or not. The other thing you also want to do is, if the issue still persists on, you could also check your Wi-Fi network. For that, you actually want to go to the settings, and what next you want to do is Genie camera only works with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, not 5 GHz, and make sure that you're not connected to the 5G network. Likewise, ensure that the camera is within the range of your router and has a good signal as well. If your router uses both 2.4 GHz and 5G band, make sure that the camera is trying to connect to a 2.4 network, not the 5G band. The other thing you also want to do is double check that the Wi-Fi password you're entering is correct when setting up the camera in a Genie app as well. If you still face issue, you also want to try updating the application. Head over to your respective app store and type in Genie and check whether there needs to be an update or not. If the issue still persists on, you simply want to uninstall the applications and then restart your device at the same time, and try contacting the support team, see whether they will be able to help you out or not. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.